Oh yeah, boys will be boys.
The edible white clover, as it is known as amongst the pauper, or rather peasants, Trifolium repens, to the biology bashers, or as the French would say, peasants. Trifolium repens isn't at all civilised, found out in nature amongst grass, hiding from God knows what, or the bowel movements of salad-sucking hippies, as the whole plant is edible raw, as a tea or cooked from its serendipitous flowers to its youth in the form of its seed, or rather nut pods. Also, its distinctively peculiar pathetic leaf arrangement, containing vitamins A, B2, B3, C and E, along with magnesium, potassium, chromium, sodium, phosphorus and calcium. Clovers are a rich source of phytochemicals, predominantly the types called isoflavones and polysaccharides. It's immune boosting, treats fevers, coughs and those partial to a spot of a cold. It can alleviate congestion, headaches. It's said to be good for rheumatic aches and joint pain. The clover is part herbaceous plant, part antiseptic eye wash, apparently, to treat minor eye infections. It's also known to heal external wounds, burns, ulcers, sores, purifies the blood, and is a treatment for gout. The red clover is said to have anti-cancer properties. Please consult a health professional before becoming a wizard, Harry. And to avoid murdering yourself, family, and dinner guests, you will have to repel yourself down from stupidity. I should always have positive identification of a plant first. Trifolium repens has trifoliate leaves, whatever the fuck that means, although it's pretty self-explanatory, with a distinct white chevron on its leaf also. Here's what the flowers look like.